Welcome to BlueTuskr's How-To Videos. Hey there! In this tutorial, we will walk you through a step-by-step process in sending a test email in Klaviyo. If you're new to SaaS applications and want to make the most of your Klaviyo account, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand the importance of sending test emails and how to do it effectively. So let's dive in. First things first, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage your email campaigns. Click on the Create Campaign button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your campaign and choose the recipients. After filling in the details, click Continue to Content. Next is the campaign content. Fill in the subject line, preview text, sender name, and the sender's email address. After you've filled in the fields, click the drag and drop area to start editing your content. You'll need to choose a template for your email. Klaviyo offers a variety of pre-designed templates, or you can create your own custom template from scratch. Take a moment to browse through the available templates and select one that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, click Edit Template to start customizing your email. You can add your brand's logo, change the text, colors, and images to match your brand identity, and more. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements like images, text, and buttons to your email. After you've finished customizing your email, it's time to preview it. Click on the Preview and Test button in the upper right corner of the editor to see how your email will appear in your recipients' inboxes. Make sure everything looks good and is free of typos or errors. Now, let's send a test email. Click the Send Test button located on the top right of the page. Enter your email address in the provided field and click Send Test to send the test email to yourself. Head over to your email inbox and look for the test email from Klaviyo. Open the email to ensure it looks great and functions as intended. If you notice any issues, go back to the Klaviyo editor and make the necessary adjustments. Sending test emails is a crucial step in your email marketing process. Here are some key benefits. Identify and fix errors. Test emails help you catch and correct any formatting issues, broken links, or typos before your campaign goes live. Optimize for deliverability. Test emails ensure your email design and content won't trigger spam filters, increasing the likelihood of reaching your recipients' inboxes. Test personalization. Use test emails to verify that personalized elements, such as dynamic content and merge tags, are working correctly. Assess email client compatibility. Sending test emails helps you check how your email displays across various email clients and devices, ensuring a consistent experience for all recipients. And that's it. You now know how to send a test email in Klaviyo. Till our next tutorial. Do you like this content? If you do, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you will get notified on our next video.